In this video, I'll show the InDesign Ink Manager. This isn't a script, like many of my videos. Ink Manager is a part of InDesign. In fact, since nearly the beginning. I'll show its value, along with one aspect that can be frustrating, at least for those unaware of it. I've made a document to demonstrate. This should output 3 spot colors. Let's start with the frustrating part, so that's out of the way. I'll open the Separations Preview panel. First problem. All we're seeing here is CMYK. Not a problem if the spec is processed, but it's not. Let's have a look at the swatches. Oh no, things are getting worse. I see 13 spot colors. But hold on. They're spot colors, not process. To confirm, I'll open swatch options for one. Yep, the color type is spot. So why does Separations Preview show only process? Ink Manager. To open it, click the flyout menu of the Swatches panel. It's toward the bottom. Here's the problem. All spots to process is checked. Uncheck it, close Ink Manager, and go back to Separations Preview. Now it matches the list of swatches. Still too many inks. We'll solve that next, but at least the 2 panels match now. I'm pointing this out because sometimes prep operators can't get a spot job to output spot colors. No matter how they try, the job outputs CMYK. It's that one checkbox. Now you know, and can avoid the frustration. With that out of the way, now let's focus on what Ink Manager can do for us. Here's the problem. The job is 13 spot colors, when it should be 3. See here when I toggle on and off the swatches that appear the similar dark blue color. Those all need to be one swatch. What's the big deal, you might say? Delete the extra and replace each with another swatch. Ah, not so fast. Sure, that works for swatches created in InDesign. This one, for example. Delete it and replace with 534. Problem solved. But this one, the trash can is grayed out. Because the color is from a placed graphic. It is not possible to delete colors from placed graphics. In this situation, or any other reason colors won't delete, there is a solution. Ink Manager. Ink Manager also appears in the flyout menu of Separations Preview. The Ink Manager lets you map one color to another. Do this by setting an ink alias. I'll resolve the extra colors by setting their alias to one of 3 colors I've chosen to keep. Now it looks better. And the job is ready to output correctly. But that's not all. This remapping feature isn't limited to resolving duplicate colors. It can change any spot color to something entirely different. To demonstrate, I'll add a Pantone color to the document. Open Ink Manager and remap the teal color to the new Pantone color. Look at that! I've changed colors of placed graphics without having to open any. It's all done in InDesign. If the result isn't showing, in the Separations Preview, set the view to Separations. Or in the View menu, enable Overprint Preview. Otherwise, graphics show the preview from the file, which doesn't reflect the color change. Export a PDF, and you should see the same result. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.